Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play good on mobile MM2. First, let's set up your device for success. Optimizing your settings is crucial for smooth gameplay. Adjust your sensitivity to find what feels natural for you, and customize your button layout for maximum comfort and quick reactions. A stable internet connection is also key to prevent frustrating lag spikes during intense moments. These initial steps lay the groundwork for a much better experience. Now, let's dive into specific roles. If you are the sheriff, focus on quick reflexes and precise aiming to take down the murderer swiftly. For the murderer, stealth and strategic movement are your best friends. Surprise your targets. Regardless of your role, knowing the map layouts inside and out gives you a significant advantage, allowing you to predict enemy movements and plan your next move effectively. Playing as an innocent requires keen observation and smart positioning. Always stay alert and watch for any suspicious player behavior, like someone following others too closely or acting unusually. Try to avoid large groups, as these can become easy targets for the murderer. If you can, communicate with other innocents to share information, but always be cautious of who you trust. To truly excel, consistent practice is essential. Spend time in custom games to hone your aiming, movement, and overall strategy without pressure. Watching experienced players can also provide valuable insights into advanced tactics and decision-making. Remember, every round is a learning opportunity. Maintain a positive attitude, analyze your gameplay, and you will see significant improvement over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.